Consistency is
Mm.
most important. And now I would like to suggest to your viewers, please, everyone, whatever you do, you have to consistency, and consistency is most important.
Okay. If there is somebody in my YouTube channel, I'm requesting you to share this video in Facebook platform also, so that other people could watch this video sitting at their home, and they could also get some kind of vibrations to be a good speaker. So I'm requesting all dear brothers, all dear sisters and viewers, if you are sticking with these sessions between Vikas sir and Sagar sir, then I'm requesting you to share this video in Facebook domain also, so that other student could also get
Yeah, sure, why
reach
not?
of this video.
Thank you so much for
And
this.
I'm Sagar, thank you for being the part of this discussion. And lastly, I'm asking you you one question. I had already put these questions to you. Despite of not having privilege to be in such a environment or ambience, you have developed yourself to more and more extent in this regard. So what kind
Thank
of
you.
message you want to convey to those section of the students, because you know that in this time government job is not that easy. Okay, everyone have to now turn their eyes towards the private sector also. And you know that in private sector one has to go either in abroad or some big city where English speaking is very much mandatory. Okay, so what do you feel? Do you feel that English speaking is very much important to all those aspirants who want to join in private sector? Yeah.
Because it's not possible, because everyone have to speak in English, everyone have to learn, and it's just language. Don't think about we can't speak English, they are going to English medium school, then they are speaking English. Don't think like this. If you are
Yeah.
Hindi medium students, it doesn't matter what's your back stories, but you have to recognize yourself, what you have a weakness, and every day you have to learn and practice with your friends. If someone is laughing at you, they are want to let down to yourself, don't think about it, it doesn't matter. But you have to consistency, it's the most important. And always try to speak English. And
I'm telling my all viewers, really, if you want to be a super and duper of anything else, then do not get demoralized. Okay, people throwing stones, people
no,
mocking
no,
you. Okay,
I
people
don't think like this. If
down.
I'm taking the, if I'm
People try to
taking
let
the seriously, I'm never to standing this side. I'm taking the over
no,
granted.
I'm not telling this to all my viewers. People try to let you down because they want that
Yes, yes.
you could not go higher and higher in, never get demoralized. Okay, let them throw the stones. You just keep on going your way. You will get your destinations. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you very much, Sagar brother. And last, I'm requesting you to say a few lines in regard to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. I have started even. Many viewers are there, but very few viewers only like, and they throw some comments, and even they do not follow. I don't know why they are doing so. If they realize that I'm doing some good work, then they must praise the like button, and they also should do some kind of comment also in my below comment box there, but they are not doing.
Everyone,
Let's see the
I
followers.
would like to say something. Please, viewers, don't forget to subscribe to channels and hit the bell icon. And do you have any way you want to suggest to them? Please, you can comment below, and whatever you can say. And if you can have any problems, you can suggest to them with the Vikas sir. So thank you so much, Vikas,
Okay,
brother Vikas sir.
thank you the
I'm
of
so glad.
station. And I had one curiosity
Mhm.
to listen as from you, and this curiosity has also quenched up now. So I will invite in the similar way in coming days to all my brother and sister of my place who are doing extraordinary job, so that all upcoming generations could get one kind of good push to go more ahead in their life. Thank you very much
It's
to be the
okay.
guest of uh, today's session, Sagar brother. Okay, I wish you
Thank you so much,
all the
and
very
thank you
best.
for your valuable time. And thank you so much. It's okay. Have a nice day.